Good morning, children. Now welcome to our class. Now continue last previous class. Our uses, our resources, our forest and wildlife. Now next continue advantages of forest. Forest help to cause a rainfall and prevent floods. Now forest provide good shelter to wildlife. Yes, forest help to cause of a rainfall. So ఫారెస్ట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటేనే మనకు రెయిన్ఫాల్ అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది మీన్స్ వర్షాలు ఎక్కువ వస్తాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫారెస్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్ టు గుడ్ షెల్టర్ టు వైల్డ్ లైఫ్. సో అడవిలో ఉంటే ఫారెస్ట్లో ఉన్న యానిమల్స్ కూడా ఎక్కువ షెల్టర్ ఇచ్చేది ఫారెస్టెస్. నౌ ఫారెస్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్ వాల్యుబుల్ టింబర్ ఫర్ డొమెస్టిక్ అండ్ కమర్షియల్ యూజ్. నౌ industries like paper, mat making, plywood, sports goods, lac and furniture are directly based on raw materials derived from forest. What is that? Forest use chesi manamu industries. Forest what is the uses of forest amma industries ku kuda use chesaru. Now next papers use chesaru. నా నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాట్ మేకింగ్ మనం ఇంట్లో డైలీ యూజ్ చేసే మ్యాట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ప్లైవుడ్, స్పోర్ట్స్ గుడ్స్, స్పోర్ట్స్కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని గుడ్స్ కూడా ఫారెస్ట్ తోటి ఫారెస్ట్ మీన్స్ వుడ్ తోటి ప్రిపేర్ చేశారు. నా ఫారెస్ట్ సప్లై ఏ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మైనర్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ విచ్ ఆర్ యూటిలైజ్డ్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ అండ్ డొమెస్టిక్ యూజెస్. These include lac, gum and resins, tannin material, medicine, herbs, honey and spices. What is that amma? Forest supply some honey kani, next gum, next spices. ఇవన్నీ ఫారెస్ట్ నుంచే మనకు సప్లైస్ అవుతుంటాయి. Now forest offer employed about 4,000 million people to earn their livelihood in forest based occupations, so that is lumbering, swinging, furniture making, forest producer and collecting, etc. Now next one conservation of forest. Government has decided to declare certain forests to protect areas. These protects are called the reserves or wildlife sanctuaries. What is that? Reserves. Now here no one is allowed to hunt animals. Now there are about 150 wildlife sanctuaries in India. People come from all over the world to see these sanctuaries. They consist of some of the most beautiful and rare animals. Mana total forest lo how many wild animals are there amma? 150 different types of and 150 kinds of wild animals are there. Now the largest sanctuary is the West Bengal. Ikkada largest sanctuary ekkada undamma? West Bengal. Now it is called as the Sundarbans. What is that called? Sundarbans. These sanctuaries are famous for its Bengal tigers. Akkada ekkuva Bengal tigers are famous. Now the government has made plans to grow more trees. Government kuda chala now one Mahotsava is celebrated every year to plant more trees. So one Mahotsavam kuda government celebrate chestundi every year. Ante it's a plant every year to plant more trees. Thousands of school children participate in the Van Mahotsavam and plant trees every year. So students kuda ee Van Mahotsavam lo participate chestunaru. Now Chipko movement and Narmada Bachko and Andolon are some of the movements to save forest and wildlife in the India. Chipko movement was started by Sri Sundarlal Bahagun in the Tehri district of Uttar Pradesh. Now Chipko movement. The women of a village in Tehri clung onto the trees and protect them from beginning cut down. Srimati Medha Patkar started a movement named Narmada Bachko Andolon and to save the forest and wildlife in the Narmada region. Narmada region లో ఉన్న forest ను సేవ్ చేయడానికి it's a established. Okay, now next wildlife amma. Wildlife. The wild animals like lion, tiger, elephant, deer, snakes, etc. and birds which live in a forest are called wildlife. So these are animals live in a forest. That's why it is called as wildlife. Now, various type of wild animals are found in the forest of India. ఇంకా different types of animals కూడా forest లో ఉంటాయి. Since the primitive days, the wild animals have close relationship with the mankind. The major wild animals of India are elephant, tiger, lion, rhino, bear, etc. They live in the dense forest. So చాలా thick forest లో వైల్డ్ అనిమల్స్ ఉంటాయి. మన మేజర్గా ఉండే వైల్డ్ అనిమల్స్ ఏంటమ్మా? ఎలిఫెంట్, లయన్, టైగర్, రీనో అండ్ బియర్స్. Now, the Sundarburg of West Bengal is the home of the Royal Bengal tigers. So, Sundarban of West Bengal లో ఎక్కువ బెంగాల్ టైగర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. Now, similarly, lions live in the Gir forest of Gujarat and rhinoceros live in the dense marshy and most forest of Assam, North Bengal and Tripura. Elephants and tigers live in the forest of Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka and in the foot Himalayas and Chotnagpur plateaus. Varieties of birds are seen in our forest. The most important which are the peacock, cuckoo, myna, hornbill, kite, vulture, swan, ducks, crow, golden, cranes, doves and are found almost everywhere. Tiger is our national animal and peacock is the national bird. Tiger is our national animal and peacock is our national bird. The number of wild animals is gradually diminishing as our forest and okay. Now next preservation of wildlife. There are at present 20 national parks. How many national parks are? 20 national parks and 190 wildlife structures. Now states of India preservation of wildlife. In 1972, the Indian Wildlife Board launched a national scheme called the Project Tiger. This tiger project ensured complete protection to the tiger species in 7 specially selected reserves and months: Assam, Bihar, Odisha. These are the other vanishing species like the rhinoceros and lion are preserved in the Kaziranga National Park, Assam and Gir Forest of Gujarat respectively. These are the 20 national parks in our India. Okay, these are about our lesson. In next class I will give class work. Okay children, so now thank you.